Shireen here, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get this Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette inspired look using only $5 makeup palettes. I don't know about you, but personally I was really gravitating towards those purples in the palette because they just look so pretty. But I couldn't justify dropping all that money on a palette just for those 3 purple shades. So thank God for drugstore dupes, you know what I mean? For this look, I'm using these Almay Shadow Squads, which are these monochromatic palettes that each come with 4 different finishes of the same color. So a matte, satin, metallic, and a glitter. They're only $4.97. I got mine from Walmart, but I was sent a bunch of other shades in PR. I just went and picked up the purple one because I knew I needed it for this look. What I love about these palettes is that they're so compact and easy to work with. If you're a beginner, these palettes are so beginner friendly. You'll see what I mean as we work through this tutorial. It's really easy to layer these on and not pack on too much at once. Before we get into this tutorial, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like this look and if you want to see more drugstore dupe kind of tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get into it. As always, I'm starting off by priming my eyes with Tarte's Shape Tape. And with this step, I'm also carving out my brows while also priming my eyelids. Since I do have oily eyelids, this step is absolutely necessary for me to just really give me a nice even base for eyeshadow. Next, I'm just setting my base with a skin-toned eyeshadow. You can use any one you'd like, but my go-to is Distress from the I Love Sarahi and ColourPop Shiki palette. Alright, now onto the fun part. I'm going to be taking the Pure Gold Baby eyeshadow quad by Almay, and we're going to be going in with this matte shade right here and putting this into the crease. So what I like to do first is just press it onto the skin in the shape that I want it, and then after that I'll go back and blend it all out. Since I do have slightly hooded eyes, I like taking up the crease shade a little bit higher than my natural crease. That way when my eyes are open, I can still see it. You also want to extend out this color a little bit more than you usually would, only because when it comes time to clean this look up, it'll be a lot easier. Alright, so now I'm also going to place this right onto the outer V, and then drag it right across the lower lash line as well. Alright, now it's time to blend. So what I'm going to do is start making these circular small motions, and then also windshield wiper back and forth motions. Next, I'm going in with this metallic purple on a flat shader brush from the Making a Statement quad. So what I'm going to do is pick some up on my brush and then actually spray it with Pixi's Makeup Fixing Mist to really make the color more intense. Then I'm just placing that right onto the lid. To deepen the outer V even further, I'm going to be going in with that same blending brush that I used to put on this brown shade and picking up this matte purple from the Making a Statement quad and then blending it right into that outer V. I'm starting off first by tapping it where I want it and then going back and blending. As you can tell, it's not a huge difference, but it is subtle enough to make a difference. Alright, last step. For a pop of color in the inner corners, I'm going to be taking this metallic eggshell color on an angled liner brush and then also spritzing the brush with some Makeup Fixing Mist by Pixi so that metallic effect really comes through. And then with this fluffy shader brush, I'm just going to further blend it out. To clean up the edges of this look for a really sharp line, I'm going to be taking some micellar water onto a cotton round and then gently gliding it across the bottom of my eye to pick up any fallout and then right across the outer corner to give me that really crisp, sharp line. Look at how much it just picked up. This trick is so handy. A helpful tip I have to figure out the placement of the line is to start from the edge of your eye and imagine that you're connecting that line from here to the tail of your brow. Next, I'm just going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara, and finish up the rest of my face. I'm also going to add a little bit of highlight right on the brow bone. For my lips, I'm first applying this Pacifica Mineral Lip Balm with SPF 15. Now that I have a smooth base for my lips, I'm going in with Pixi and Chloe Morella's collab. This is their Lip Icing in Cake. This is a really pretty bronzy color, and it reminds me a lot of Anastasia's new lip gloss in the shade Freya. So that is it for this Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette inspired look. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you want to see more videos like this one. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!